Nike continues to show that sneaker revivals can be more than just nostalgia. While classic designs will always have their place, today's most interesting releases are the ones that push old performance models into a lifestyle setting. A strong example is the Nike Total 93 SP arriving in spring 2026. Originally built for soccer, the Total 93 steps away from the pitch and into everyday wear with a refined Mink Brown colorway. The shoe features a smooth brown leather upper paired with clean white branding, highlighted by the iconic encircled 90 on the side. A white midsole keeps the look balanced, while a dark gum brown outsole adds a premium, casual finish. Subtle racer blue accents appear on the insoles and traction zones, giving the design a modern pop without overpowering it. The Nike Total 93 SP Mink Brown will release through Nike and select boutiques in men's sizing, with a retail price of $120.